YouTube, what's up? Coming back at you with another video. Check this out. It's a windstorm here in Vegas. Look how windy it is. It's so dusty out. Look at the sky. Usually it's blue. It's all dust. You can't even see the mountains. It's incredible. You can barely see them faintly. We got a wind advisory on our phones, like an amber alert or tornado warning. It said be careful because you might not see, and if you can't see, pull over. It's just all dust. The sky, usually it's blue, like a lake. Check it out. They're finding bodies in Lake Mead, 2 within a week. Probably mob related in the 70s and 80s. They said how the individual was dressed, the clothing he wore was from the 70s or 80s. You can't even see the mountains. Look at this. It's incredible. It's just all like dust. You see these trees? Look at how they're just blowing over. Look at this. It's amazing. This happens every so often. You see them palm trees ahead blowing like crazy? Alright, YouTube, I have some good videos coming. Stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's free. Thank you.